Moe Friends. Playground. There's no playground here. Huh? Whoa. Oh. What are you building here today?
We're building a new playground.
Oh, it is a playground. What's that crane doing? Whoa. It's picking up the slide. Whoa. That must be a heavy slide. Oh, they're putting it in the ground. Quick, Mo wants to play. Oh, maybe Mo should go and see where that slide comes from. Whoa, big machines. What is this place we're at today?
This is Galloway International, and we make boats, tanks, and playgrounds.
Oh, do you make slides?
Yes, we do.
Oh, how do you make a slide?
They're made in plastic. We use a material called polyethylene, which is a powder, and then the polyethylene is then loaded into the mould, which is no too different from a cake tin or something.
Oh.
And then the mould is loaded into the oven,
Yeah.
sealed up, the oven is shut, the process starts,
Oh.
cooks it. When it gets to a certain temperature, it turns off and starts cooling.
Oh. Oh, they're opening the mold. There's the slide. Wow, the green powder turned into a green slide. That is amazing. Oh, it's all nice and smooth now. Maybe their playground's finished. Oh. Wonder if this playground's finished. Wow! What's your favorite part of the playground?
It's the swirling cone.
The swirling cone. Does it make you dizzy?
Yes, it does.
Is that fun?
Yes.
Mo's favorite part is the slide. Do you think maybe Mo could put a slide in Mo's treehouse?
Yes.
That'd be fun. Okay, time to slide. How about some cuddles?
Cuddles.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.